Hey everybody, welcome to week one of the semester. Just another quick tour around our D2L site to make sure you remember where all that content is kept to get started successfully. So once you've gotten through your getting started module, review the course syllabus and schedule. There's also a course breakdown here that will show you how the course is divided into 3 sections. Your ebook again is here. If you open up week 1, it's going to bring you to this page. Gives you some idea of all the different topics we're going to discuss this semester. A little bit of an intro here. Here's your week 1 assignments, topics to complete. Just a list of things that I would certainly consider this using this as a checklist. There's always a specific checklist. If you open this up here, it's going to show you all the specifics of all the different things you need to do. Keep going through that. Talks about Netiquette, how we're going to engage again in online conversations. Here's your article, and ways that we define psychology. So again, just make sure you're looking at your checklist, and you can always use this to help you know that, okay, took care of that, and so forth. So again, please make sure you're staying organized in that way, and those checklists are a really good way to do that. The main assignment this week is for you to post a 1-minute video or a 100-word introduction, whatever is best for you, whichever you would prefer. But make sure, again, you've read the article about appropriate discussion online and rules of engaging in online discussions, particularly how your assignments are going to be graded. So make sure you get that done, as well as defining psychology. This is just going to be a little bit of an understanding of how we define psychology, all the different behaviors and mental processes that we're going to discuss this semester. And this gives you a little bit of a roadmap of the course for the rest of the semester. So that's your week 1 information. Again, I'm always available via email, so please stay in touch. Talk to you soon.